Three.
I'm a teacher, Jesus on the telephone.
My grandmother, man.
And she teach him how to do
Yo, to see my granny and my grandmother make me start singing.
Mama, me never, ever left you out. People chat and don't know things how it go. Just know very soon that you're coming home.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. And for those who want to further support the channel, you can buy a merch. Yeah, we have merch on sale on teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMore So that's teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMore
Father God, I make them fight me so hard. I look at things and me no coward.
So people, just minutes after I published that video I just did about Mavado, I mentioned in the video that I don't see Bounty Killer send any condolences or nothing like that. Well, I don't know if Bounty Killer watched that video and I never know say Mavado mother passed away. But minutes after, he sent his condolences. And we are going to look what Bounty Killer said. But before we take a look at what Bounty Killer said, Mavado shares last conversation with his mom. Mavado posts a photograph of his mom holding what appears to be Mavado's little sister. He posts that photograph with the caption, "After you told me that you're feeling much better and you're telling us that you're ready to go back to your house. I feel so good when you said that to me on the phone. Mama, still can't believe it. Now I'm all alone. Can't trust no one. But I could always put my life in your hands. From I was a kid, it was always me and you walking up and down Constant Spring Road. Them days, my little sister was just a baby. Them days, I always said as a kid, I'm going to buy you the biggest house and the prettiest car when I grow up. I build you the biggest house. I keep my promise. Mama, I did it, and the world will remember us. Me and you. Jano, I've never felt like this before. Whoa, my best friend gone." Jano star, Jano. You can really see say Mavado is really sad. Because even in the post he made a lot of grammatical error. You know say when you're vexed and sad and them thing they can't really think straight. You see me? Jano.
Wish me coulda tell you I'm perfect, but I'm not. It's me, said one from the block.
So Bounty Killer put his differences aside between him and Mavado and send his deepest condolences to Mavado and his family. Bounty Killer repost a photograph of Mavado and his mom with the caption, "Jano Star, I just want to send my deepest sympathy and condolences to Mavado and his family on the passing of his mom. Despite our situation, but I know the void and emptiness caused by the loss of a mom. It's a very sad street that we all have to tread. One day, prayers goes out. Stay strong."
Me never left here, now the boardhouse panic gully, me take you out.
People, I'm glad to see Bounty Killer put the little difference aside and know say it's a tough time for Mavado right now and try and even reach out to Mavado. It's a very, very good look. I'm not stop saying. Me I wait for Vybz Kartel to do something like this. People might cuss me in the comment section, but I'm waiting. Even Foota hype, and you know say Foota hype and Mavado, them not really good like that. But Foota hype still send his condolences to Mavado. But people, before I play that video of Foota hype sending his condolences to Mavado and remembering Miss Pinny, I want to share this video of her spending time with Mavado when she was alive. People, take a look.
And that church come to when I see parents. And me and your father stand up at the time Joey, a baby 5 months. And your father will love Joey and I stand up sit down. And him sit down. I ask your parents and me and him stand up. I will stand up and him give me more praise than so.
Yeah.
And say we'll take good care of you and all them things there.
And internet, you me how much internet serum?
3-year-old, I'm singing. Nice.
Yeah, that's right.
3-year-old.
3.
I'm a teacher, she just on the telephone.
My grandmother, man.
And she teach him how to do
Yo, to see my granny and my grandmother make me start singing.
Because today, me lose me spinning, you know. When me say me lose me spinning I'm over the mother. But from a barn, me know me spinning. You understand? From a barn, me know me spinning as a quiet, humble lady. Me can count on my one at the time when me ever hear me spinning raise her voice. You know me I say like real quiet, humble person and stay to herself. She didn't mix up, she didn't drama, she different. So that it kinda sad. Not kinda, very sad. Like me up from after 2 from my ear and I couldn't sleep. I go sleep about 1:30 today. I couldn't sleep. You see what I say? So what me I say is, you know, RIP and condolences to me Spinny. You understand what I say? That hit home hard, you know what I say? And I know what it feel like to lose a mother, you know what I say? And when I lose my mother, it wicked for me, I nearly mad. So I can only imagine when a singer go through, you know what I say, worse with the other complications and all of the bullshit. You know what I mean? Do you understand? But that's why I say strong up singer. I know me in on the best of terms, me in a good. We didn't even talk. You see me, but you don't know. Them things I think were bigger than ego and bigger than just, you know what I say? Yeah, so big man thing, me I say strong up Vybz, you know? Hold it. I can walk you through some of the experiences where I got experience, even though your situation 10 times worse than when me lose my mother, you know what I say? But you have to be strong when you don't have nothing else to do, you see me? Because right now, you don't have no choice more than to be strong, you see me? And who there around the artists have to make sure, say, them a project positive energy around the artists, you see me I say? And positive vibe and everything, because at the end of the day, no matter what me and my father have in my heart, always I gotta be my brother, you get me I say? And I saw life go, everybody now go see eye to eye and everybody have ego and everybody always right sometime, you know what I say? And sometimes I not go see my wrong and him not go see him wrong and but when things like them things happen, it's just, you know what I mean? Just rough. You know what I say? Rough. On my birthday, I not too want to get into that mood there, I'll do it hard for avoid. You know what I say? I just say RIP, Miss Spinny, condolences to the family because people don't see me and Mavado in a deal. Everybody around Mavado, including friends and family, and my people them too. I mean, hear them chat and go on and my people, them, the whole of we grow together, the whole of we live together, the whole of we survive. If something affect them, it affect me, because everybody close, you understand me I say? So in a time like this, I can't even hold no ego and, you know what I say? Now we just know, say, it rough, it rough. You see what I say? I block that person, hold on. Because and everything is a laughing matter, so never gonna repeat where you're coming, but just block it, you see me? So, and everything is something to laugh about, you see me? And notice, no matter what me and Killer have, you never hear me say, your mother. Because I love me so heavy like that, you see me? No matter what me and my father have, you never hear me go mother. Nah, do that. Because I love me spinning like that, I respect and honor my friend them mother and a joke thing. And think they're serious.
People, it take a real man to do a Foota hype just a do. And Foota hype, I applaud you. You see me? Big up yourself, Foota hype. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My gone.